Go away!
You're having a bad dream. It's okay. It's okay, sweetie. Hey, baby. They had a lead. I tried to get in on it, but they shut me out.
You're going back, aren't you? The great disappearing actor is my mother.
It won't be for long, I promise.
Jimmy, down! You don't find the car? You don't find the gun?
This runs deep. You're getting in way over your head here.
Hi, Roxy.
Good morning, Thandi. How are you?
I'm really well. I'm really well. How is it down there in Florida?
Oh, you know it's a sunny day.
Oh, nice.
So thanks so much for being with us in Palm Beach Rocks.
Of course, it's a pleasure.
Now tell me, you are starring in the new TV series, The Rogue. Tell us a little bit about your part, Grace.
Yeah, I played Grace Travis, who is a mother and cop who is working on a case undercover. And she's about to crack the case, but is pulled out from undercover because of the death of her son, which was supposedly a drive-by shooting and an accident, but she's convinced that it had something to do with the work that she was doing undercover. So without the support of the police department or her family, she goes back undercover to try and discover the truth of what happened.
Now this is a really juicy part. I mean, you're starring in it, you have to put yourself out there. Is she close to your personality at all, Grace?
No, she's not, but that's partly because I haven't been in the circumstances that she's been in, but I feel for her, and I feel like I'm her best friend, and I'm supporting her through this, and I think the only other best friend that she has is the audience, because the audience is the only other kind of entity that understands fully what Grace is going through, because her family don't know, the cops don't know, the work that she was doing undercover, those people don't know. Everyone thinks that she's working against them, when in fact all she's doing is trying to discover the truth about her son, and she puts herself at great risk. So I feel, as an actress and as Thandi, I'm encouraging her, I'm giving her fuel to do the work that she needs to do. I absolutely adore her. It's like one of the best roles I've ever played, and the fact that I get to play her for 10 episodes I was a kid in a candy store.
Well, you've been in film, in movies for years, since a very young child.
And I feel like I've just started. Honestly, this last year with Rogue and a movie called Half of the Yellow Sun, which is coming out this year, I honestly feel like there's one chapter gone and this is the beginning of a whole new chapter. I'm just thrilled by the work.
You're just getting into your own here.
Yeah, really, as an older woman, all that wisdom and experience.
Where was The Rogue filmed?
Rogue was filmed in Vancouver, but it's set in Oakland, California. There was some of the footage was shot in Oakland as well. That's where it's set, but Vancouver is a place where it's much more convenient for shooting. It's a much bigger environment, and the crews there were fantastic, and it was a great place to shoot.
Great. Now this is going to be on DirecTV.
DirecTV on Wednesdays at 9.
I say we meet fire with fire.
I will handle
I should have seen it glow, but everybody knows that a broken heart is blind. That a broken heart